Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby. I'm the creator of the Jetflix TV streaming service. In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to do some plane spotting at the Manila Philippine Airlines domestic terminal building. I had to spend some time there as I waited a flight to Boracay back in November of 2022. So this should give you a pretty good idea, and I was perfectly comfortable. I enjoyed my time there, but sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So I'm at the domestic airport here in Manila, and we arrived yesterday at the international airport, and today is our flight over to Cataclan Airport for a visit to Boracay. It's been pretty busy here at the terminal this morning. We arrived a few hours ago. It was super busy, but it's got a little bit calmer, and as I say, our flight is going to be around 1 o'clock over to Cataclan. So we're just chilling out, relaxed here, watching planes through the windows. It's got a pretty good view of the taxiway and the airplanes landing and taking off on the active runway that's right in front of us. So if you're a plane spotter and you like hanging out and watching airplanes, it's good fun. And yeah, you can kind of put your feet up and just chill, wait for your flight. And I quite enjoy being here. I haven't been here since mid-90s, so it's been over 25 years since I was last here in Manila, and it's nice to be back. And of course, most of the movements are Philippine Airlines and Cebu Pacific, and I actually flew on Cebu Pacific when I was here in whenever it was, 95 thereabouts, flew on their DC-9 from Manila down to Cebu and back. So they're now a big Airbus operator, so times have changed over the last 25 years, but yeah, it's nice to be here.
Passengers, all remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines are flight Tenby to 963, purpose Manila. If you are around by the signal, gate number 12 must be gate number 12 must be and go aircraft. Once again, requesting all remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines are flight Tenby to 963. Thank you for waiting. Philippine Airlines flight UP 2923 bound for the Philippines. Already jumped the passengers to gate number 14. May request all departing passengers to please present your valid ID and boarding pass upon boarding. Thank you. Any inspection of our guided from on boarding the aircraft. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, we thank you for flying with us and wish a pleasant flight to Luzon, Batangas.
Once again, we're calling the attention of our following passengers on Philippine Airlines flight PR7364 Bangkok. Passenger.
So I hope this gave you a pretty good idea of what plane spotting was like from the Philippine Airlines domestic terminal at Manila Airport. If you've liked my video, I look forward to perhaps a thumbs up. Maybe you could leave me a comment. And if you're not already a subscriber, why not consider subscribing to my channel? Just hit the subscribe button and I'll keep you updated with all the new aviation videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.